Hey everyone, this is Bo from Beat the Prop Firm, and before we get started, we just want to show the disclaimer here. Basically, we're not financial advisors, and everything that we're providing here is for informational purposes. Use this information as you see fit, but do so at your own risk. Alright, so if you're unclear with the risk, please talk to a financial advisor that's licensed to assist you. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at the action in the market today for Monday. Right, it's a 30-minute chart. Let's go down to a 5-minute chart and kind of see what's going on. Alright, so and then we're going to switch to regular trading hours futures traders like to use. Alright, so we see here this is Friday, right, and then Monday morning opens up, right, and we don't take account into Sunday night, but we'll check that out here in a second. So Monday morning comes up, we have a gap there, it quickly fills that gap and closes and hits the level of support that it created Friday, comes down, hits that, and proceeds to go higher, and then creates another level up here at 17,411 and a quarter. Alright, the market closed right around here. That looks like 17,331 and 3/4. Alright, so if I take a look at that in electronic trading hours, see the market's still kind of flat. Alright, trading right now around 17,332. Alright, so basically it's doing nothing. We got news tomorrow at 9:45 Eastern, and so what we'll do is we'll take a look at that 9:45. We'll wait for that news to come out, and if we get a reaction down low, right, again, support levels are gonna come into play, are gonna be the 16,963 and a quarter, 16,675 and 3/4, and 16,530 and a half. All those levels. So this first move down here, right now, where current price is, and coming all the way down here, is about 1,458 ticks away. Alright, so if I take 1,458 times that by $5, we're about $7,300 away from that support level. Alright, so that's a pretty big drop, and that's where I think the market's going to go. I'm not necessarily tomorrow, but I think it's going to eventually head back down to that level. Right, we do have, again, just talking about the resistance levels that shows up here. So if it does move up, you guys have those resistance levels. The market was trading sideways for about 16 days, and then it broke out coming down pretty big. So you got a little bit of pullback here. It's on the 5-minute. Right, so on the 30-minute you can kind of see a bigger range or a bigger time frame. You see it broke out from here, all this stuff right here, right, and it came down. I think it's going to continue to move down maybe till Wednesday or Thursday before we get some sort of relief. Alright, tomorrow might be a sideways, maybe we're going to move up before the news comes out at 9:45, and maybe a spike down. Alright, if it doesn't do that, we should trade sideways to higher, with the overnight trading on Tuesday night giving us a big clue on what should happen Wednesday. Alright, so come back tomorrow night and we'll go over the analysis again on the NQ March contract. Signing off for tonight. Have a good evening. Thanks.